Hello everybody. Today I'm going to take you guys to walk around right here on South Tacoma Way, and I believe is what's that, 56 in South Tacoma? Yeah, 56 in South Tacoma area. There right there is the Airport Tavern. I went there once. The people in there are very nice. I think I went there for like a company, more so for the company picnic. Oh, not a company, what am I talking about? You know, those company events. But all these other places I have never been here. That's real estate. What's this? Rockstar. Yeah, I'm just walking around. We're seeing this thing together. Like a little burger joint. I got to come try this one this day. Tap room. Howdy Bagel.
Closing?
Yeah, we close at 3.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you guys are always popular. Every time I drive by on Saturdays on the weekend, I'm like, there's a long line.
I promise it's worth the wait. Once you order, it's a 10-minute quick turnaround, but I promise it's worth the wait. Best time to come is anywhere after 12 o'clock. If we're so used to things sold out by then, then there's never a line. We always have extra seats. Okay. Yep, make a fresh morning. All right. That's a nice day.
You mind if I put you on YouTube?
Say again?
You mind if I put you on YouTube? Yeah, I'm just doing around the area. All right.
Have a great day.
You too.
And Rose Hill Barbershop. This is a boxing? Like a barbershop haircut place. It is a barbershop. They got a little tattoo area, tattoo shop here. And across the street, they got the pho, the Vietnamese pho. And that pho been here forever, because I seen that place they've been here for a long, long time. Today it's still early in the day, so like at nighttime you would see a lot of people sitting out here at the bars. It's the tattoo shop I mentioned a little bit ago. Now this place is always packed. When you come here, you'll see a lot of motorcycles, and they have live band. I have never been in here, but one of these days I will probably come. But you know, this kind of place I can't really film in there because of the music and stuff. Super Smash. This is the Mario. Those video game place. '56 in South Tacoma. That's the Austin Pro Max. There's a lot of classic car in there, and that's the other place I've never been in. So, but yeah, most of these places I never been there. But I just figured I'd do some YouTube videos, walk around, just in case somebody from out of town that want to see it, or somebody that just drove by here and never have a chance to stop, like I did, like I always do. Well, so I'm gonna walk down to Patty's Burger and see what's going on in there. Probably eating there, have my dinner. That right there is Patty Burger. Grocery outlet over there. I'm gonna go in here, see they open. They should be. Alright, I'm gonna turn the camera off. And I will see you guys in the next video unless they let me film in here. Is it okay by video? Yeah. Oh, just YouTube, just to see, show. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so, you know, I'm just only... This is a pretty cool place. All days. Yeah, this is a cool spot. I mean, if you guys have time, definitely come visit and see what's going on. Got car pictures on the wall here. Alright, so I'm gonna order my food and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, here's the burger. Gotta go.